Our survey shows that it's our property.
Right, well.
So how is it that you're going to charge us with criminal trespass?
We'll let the prosecutors figure it out, okay? I've been down there. I know what we're looking at. So where's this road right here?
I thought you knew where everything was. Are you the appropriate party to call? I didn't call you.
You want to be a smart ass like that? This looks like criminal trespass to me, okay?
July 18th, 2024, the Oakland Police in Maine were called to a residence that complained that their neighbors were trespassing on their property. But when the officer confronted the suspects, they came fully equipped to show the officer the property's boundaries.
Barry and Kelly, I assume?
Yes.
All right. So why am I over here, do you think?
I have no idea.
You don't know?
No.
Okay. So what are we doing down past the fence area tonight?
We were on our property showing someone where the pins were.
Okay. You can't be going over the fence, okay? I'm
No.
telling you right now.
Okay, can I just break in for a sec?
Yeah.
We have a survey. And
Yeah.
They have a survey.
Right.
And their survey shows that they own where they put the fence, and our survey shows that we own beyond the fence.
Okay. Beyond the fence to how far?
You want me to show you?
Yeah, sure. Yeah. No, we're not walking down there. You can show me the paperwork.
Oh, hang on, I'll get it for you.
Yeah, go ahead.
You stay right. You guys all stay right here.
See what it shows. Well, it is to a certain point. So why don't you show me what we got here?
Okay, so our survey shows.
Yeah, let's put this right on the car so we're not looking at it all rolled up.
Would you like to walk down there? Because
we're not going down there.
I don't think you can see.
I don't know why.
You don't know why I'm not going down there?
No, I don't know why we can't see it on there.
Okay. So,
Really?
So
I've been down there. I know what we're looking at. So where's this road right here?
I thought you knew where everything was.
Is that what we want to do? We want to be a smart ass like that?
Well, I'm going to give you your best chance to see what is what, and you don't want to go down
this is probably the road right here.
No, this is the road right here.
Okay, so that's what I'm asking. So you show me where you guys own, and you show me where that fence is.
Okay.
Okay.
We own down to these two pins here.
Okay, yeah.
And that fence, I'll draw it for you. Screw up my survey, but okay. So they put a fence right here.
It kind of looks like the fence kind of comes up parallel with this road right here, in my opinion, but...
Would you want to walk down? I mean, are you opposed to walking down?
No, I guess not. We can. Yeah, sure. And honestly, then maybe I'll go look at yours too.
I could have brought you the Norton survey too.
This is just foolish why neighbors would fight like this, really.
I think it is.
You know?
I didn't put up the fence on my own land.
There's just no need of it. You know? I don't fight with any of my neighbors.
Well,
You find us fighting?
Hey, hang on.
This fighting? Yeah, I find this to be fighting.
Us to be on our own land?
You know? I think we're just barking up the wrong tree here, you know?
Well, I think it's a civil matter, and I think that's...
Well... We're arguing about a 5-foot section of land here.
Did we call you? Did we call you? I think they called you.
Yeah, right, because you've been poking around down here.
Poking around.
Honey, please don't. If it were your property, would you stay off it just because somebody...
We're not talking about that.
We aren't?
No.
Oh, we are actually. You're going to determine it's theirs tonight?
No, this is just like I thought, okay?
Is it?
Yeah, it is. This isn't how you have it described here. Hey, get your ass up here. Get up here right now, okay?
Don't.
We're not.
Look, he's had a stroke.
We're not playing this game.
Just go easy on the guy. He's had a stroke, okay?
So look, here's what I'm looking at. This is, to me, this isn't where this fence is, okay?
Where do you think this fence is?
Here's the road. Look at the fence. It's more like this.
There's two pieces to the fence.
So that's not what it looks like to me.
Okay.
Okay?
So this is part of their fence. Okay?
So this looks like it's right here is where their fence is.
They ran a line with a rope to one piece of fence up here. They ran the line down to here, and then the fence continues over here. This is what you're seeing here. And then
you're telling me this right here is the fence? Then why did you draw the fence right here?
This is the first piece of fence. The rope goes all the way down to that spot right there.
And where's this pin?
Right down here. The pin's right there.
So,
where's the pin case?
Right.
Survey pins are property markers. They are metal pins placed at every corner of a property, including any angle or change of direction of the boundary line. The problem here is that 2 surveys were taken, one for each neighbor, but the property lines don't match up. And as Mrs. Scott has indicated multiple times to the officer, this is a civil matter and needs to be dealt with through the courts. Instead, after making marks on their survey,
I've been down there. I know what we're looking at. So where's this road right here?
I thought you knew where everything was. We own down to these 2 pins here.
Okay, yeah.
And that fence, I'll draw it for you. Screw up my survey, but okay.
And viewing the actual pins.
The rope goes all the way down to that spot right there.
And where's this pin?
Right down here.
The arrogant officer threatens Kelly and her husband with criminal trespass.
So this is, again, we're inside 5 feet is what we're arguing about here.
Well, that's what they're arguing about too, right?
Really? Like, this is ridiculous.
Look, they put a fence up on our property. They did.
So why are you not ripping the fence down then?
Well, I don't know what I can be accused of. I'm trying to handle it through the civil court system. Right? Are you the appropriate party to call? I didn't call you.
No, I get it. I'm telling you, to me, this looks like criminal trespass to me, okay? Because you've got a sign right here, so this is what I'm telling you both, okay? You do not belong down on here, okay? All right? So that's what I'm explaining to you guys.
Are you saying that our survey doesn't show that?
You're telling me that from that pin you drew this. That's not what this fence does. Okay, this goes right down here.
I'm pretty sure I'm familiar with what's here.
Right.
So you're just getting here. So right. So the fence piece that I drew for you goes from here.
Right.
Okay. So right.
Yeah.
All right. Down through this rope, down to where the fence takes a turn. That's what I know that Mr. Knowlton put a pin 3 feet from this pin down this line. So I might have been off just a little bit, but it's right here. And then the fence continues from the pin that he put in this way. Right to maybe to there.
Okay.
What you're seeing is a supposed boundary.
So again, you guys are all wound up over a foot of lawn? This is what you guys are coming down here to...
We were showing someone where the pins are. There are pins.
For what? For what?
They're ours.
Okay, for what? What are you down here walking around for, showing people that?
It's our property.
I'm not buying it, I'll be honest with you.
You're not buying that it's our property?
No, I can see the pin there, okay? I mean, if anything...
Okay, there's a pin here.
Here's the other thing. If anything, looking at this, geez, that shed's even on your property then, isn't it?
Well, that's not our property.
Right, this isn't right here?
No, this here. See the dark line?
Yeah.
That's the boundaries of our property.
Okay.
Funny shape.
Okay, so is that the shed right there?
That is the shed.
Okay.
Our surveyor did not do a survey of this other person's property.
I see.
So this is the approximate boundary line, which I don't even think is true, but because the pin's over here.
Right.
So this pin here is right here.
Okay.
Right there.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
And the other pin that our surveyor indicated, or actually set, James Moore.
So how long has this been here for?
This pin here has been here since 1972.
Okay. Right.
Okay.
So you guys got this is my point. This is what I'm talking about. This is why this is ridiculous. That we're arguing about all this stuff.
And why are you coming out here?
Because I'm trying to explain to you guys that we're, here we are talking about a foot now to me, okay? Well, kind of.
Well, actually, from here to there is 22 feet.
Right. So How come you guys don't have anything here then? How come you don't have anything?
If we wanted to be assholes, we would.
Right.
Okay.
So what
you know, if we're getting blamed no matter what we do.
So this is what I'm telling you, okay? I'm telling you that the next time I see you on video down here, I'm going to come charge you with criminal trespass, okay?
Okay.
But how can you do that?
So that's what I'm explaining to you. Come on.
Okay.
Wait. No. Our survey shows that it's our property.
Right, well,
So how is it that you're going to charge us with criminal trespass?
we'll let the prosecutors figure it out, okay?
We can call your bluff if you want to.
Well, what I explained to your husband was I'm not charging you today because she didn't want to do that, okay?
Okay,
So-
let me ask you a question.
Yep.
This shows that it's our property. Where
If
we
you
were.
say so, right.
Well,
Not based on the other one that I was looking at, but
Mr. Knowlton came in after this one was
let's go.
done.
We can walk as you talk.
And he did draw it differently. But when that happens,
Yep.
you have to go to court to determine whose property it actually is,
Right.
correct?
Yeah. So how come we haven't done that?
We have been working on that.
Right. Okay.
So,
And then this was put in. This was 3 years ago.
yeah, but they didn't have their survey until recently, more recently.
That's what I'm explaining to you, okay? Is that if you guys are down on that piece again, I will come charge you with criminal trespass. Okay?
Honey, don't.
All right.
Okay, let me ask you a question.
Yep.
Okay. We have had.
Okay, here, I'll take a picture of that. No, that's
No.
right. You want to rip it out of my hand? That's
I
okay.
thought you were handing it to me. I didn't want to drop it on the ground.
Right.
Hey, you know
So
what?
that's what I'm explaining to you guys, okay?
Okay, let me ask you a question. This survey shows it to be our property.
Yep.
Their survey shows it to be their property. How do you determine who's trespassing?
I'm telling you, if you guys are down on that small piece again, I will be back to charge you with criminal trespass, okay?
Okay, you're trying to determine a civil matter?
That's what I'm advising you, okay? Until you guys have this all sorted out, you don't belong down there because we can't have it figured out, right?
Okay, let me ask you a question. If they come on, what this thing shows?
They're not coming on your property. You're telling me they've come and poked around on your property?
Yes,
Okay, how come you're not calling us?
because
We're handling it in a civil court.
How come you're not calling us?
Because you're
we're
their
handling it in
friends.
civil
No,
court.
we're not their friends. I've never met the lady before in my life.
Yeah, well, it's obvious that the town of Oakland heavily supports her.
I don't know why. I haven't met you folks, and I haven't met her.
Why are you so aggressive to us then?
I'm not.
I feel like you really are.
No.
Okay.
Okay.
So let me ask a question. If our survey shows it to be ours, and their survey shows it to be theirs, and you show up, how do you determine who to charge with criminal trespass?
Well, as the other one I looked at, okay, it appeared she owned up to that road, okay.
In the little triangle.
Right. And again, this is what I think is so ridiculous.
Right.
We're all wound up about all this little.
We're
about
not
a
doing
small
that.
piece of land.
We're not.
You are. You're going down on that property. You guys are hanging around down there. I saw you on video today. I saw you on video yesterday. Why do we need to go provoke the situation?
We had a friend in town who's been familiar with the situation. We were simply showing him with a pencil.
Right.
No, that's true. You called me a liar.
I think it's. I think it's ridiculous.
So wait. Now, if they come on the property that our survey shows is ours,
Yeah.
can we have
Then
them
give us a
criminal
call.
trespass?
Give us a call.
And that's what you'll do?
But you've never done that, have you?
Yeah, actually, I did.
Yeah.
We
Yes.
did. They were parked on our lawn in the summer of
Right.
2021.
Again, I don't know why any neighbors want to fight with each other.
But you said you'd help us if we called you.
Right. Yeah, I did. So call me if they come on your property. But I'm going to have video from you.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you would charge us with. So no one can be in the zone where it overlaps.
Right. Probably shouldn't be. Right.
Neither party should be.
Then it's that easy. Right.
Right. Because what they've done.
Because I don't think she's. I don't know how much she's milling around down, in that area.
Family, I mean, they haven't been here as much this year, but their family's been here constantly.
Okay.
They're always on our property. They're always parked on our property.
What? That little piece of property?
Just like
Does
the
it
one we
matter?
walked on. That.
Right.
But what you're saying.
You said it.
Right. So this again, this is what I'm telling you. Okay. I can't stay here all night because I'm the only unit. Okay. And I've got complaints to handle. Okay. What I'm telling you is you don't be going down on there. I'll come back and
they
charge
can't
you
go
for-
on the part where
Right.
it shows we own.
Right.
Are you going to tell her
Right.
that?
Yeah. I already did. Okay? Have a good night, folks.
Okay, the next time they're on that property, we'll be calling you. You too.
Let me know what you think of this interaction in the comments down below. Is 5 feet of property worth arguing over? Or more importantly, is it a cop's place to tell you that it shouldn't matter, talk down to you, and threaten to arrest you?